Let's be real, the 9 to 5 grind can be a soul sucker. You trade your precious time for a paycheck that barely covers the bills. The boss is breathing down your neck, the commute is a nightmare. And the worst part? You're stuck in a rut, dreaming of a life with more freedom and control. But what if there was another way? What if you could ditch the corporate shackles and become your own boss? No more alarm clocks, no more office politics, and no more limits on your earning potential. Sounds pretty good, right? This isn't some pipe dream. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for people who are tired of the traditional work model. It's the era of the side hustle, the digital nomad, and the online entrepreneur. And the best part? Anyone can get in on the action. So if you're ready to trade your cubicle for a beachside hammock, or just want to wear sweatpants to work, then keep reading. This is your guide to escaping the 9 to 5 and building a life you love on your own terms. The internet has changed everything. It's no longer just a place to connect with friends or watch cat videos. It's a powerful tool that allows anyone with an internet connection to build a business and make money online. We're talking real money, not just pennies. Think about it. Every day, millions of dollars change hands online. People are buying products, booking services, and consuming content. And guess what? You can be the one providing those products, services, and content. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech whiz, or just someone with a passion for something, there's a place for you in the online world. You can freelance your skills, sell your creations, or build a following around your expertise. The possibilities are endless. So, ditch the excuses and embrace the digital revolution. Your laptop is your ticket to freedom, and the only limit is your own imagination. Are you ready to take the ride? Freelancing is the gateway drug to online income. It's about taking your skills and selling them directly to clients worldwide. Forget resumes and interviews. Your portfolio is your resume. Writers, designers, developers, marketers, virtual assistants, you name it, there's a freelance market for it. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect you with clients looking for your expertise. Start small, build your reputation, and watch your client list and income grow. The beauty of freelancing is that you're in control. You choose your clients, set your rates, and work on projects you're passionate about. No more office drama, no more soul-crushing commutes. Just you, your laptop, and the freedom to work from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. The best part? You can scale it up. Turn your freelance hustle into a full-time income and kiss the 9 to 5 goodbye forever. Remember Flappy Bird? That simple, addictive game made its creator millions. The app economy is booming, and there's never been a better time to cash in. If you've got coding skills, or are willing to learn, the App Store is your oyster. Think beyond games. People are using apps to manage their finances, learn new languages, and even find love. If you can identify a need and create a solution, you could be sitting on a gold mine. The best part? You don't need a fancy office or a huge team to develop an app. All you need is a laptop, some coding knowledge, and a killer idea. There are tons of resources available online to help you get started, and the potential rewards are massive. So, if you've ever dreamed of creating the next big thing, now's the time to act. The App Store is a level playing field where anyone with a good idea and the hustle to execute can succeed. Are you ready to join the gold rush? Section 5. Beyond the gram turning likes into cash. Think Instagram is just for selfies and food pics? Think again. It's a powerful platform for building a brand and making serious bank. We're not talking about becoming an influencer, though you can do that too. We're talking about using Instagram to sell your products, services, and expertise. Got a knack for photography? Sell your stunning prints or offer photography coaching. Are you a fitness junkie? Create workout plans or offer online training sessions. The key is to identify your niche, create high-quality content, and engage with your audience. Use Instagram's features to your advantage, stories, reels, live videos, to connect with your followers and showcase your offerings. And don't underestimate the power of a strong call to action. Tell people what you offer and how to buy it. Remember, building a following takes time and effort. But with consistency and a killer strategy, you can turn those likes into loyal customers and a thriving online business. So ditch the filters and start building your empire, one post at a time. Section 6, Fiverr, $5 at a time to financial freedom. Don't let the name fool you. Fiverr is a goldmine for skilled freelancers. From logo design and voiceovers to social media management and virtual assistants, you can sell almost any service imaginable. The beauty of Fiverr is its low barrier to entry. Start with small gigs, build your portfolio, and rack up those 5-star reviews. As your reputation grows, you can increase your prices and attract higher-paying clients. Fiverr is all about hustle. The more gigs you complete, the more visible you become. Promote your gigs on social media, optimize your profile, and offer exceptional customer service to stand out from the crowd. Remember, every successful freelancer started somewhere. Fiverr gives you the platform to showcase your skills, build your brand, and create a sustainable online income, $5 at a time. Section 7. The location-independent life: work from anywhere, anytime. Imagine waking up in a new city every month, laptop in hand, ready to conquer the world. That's the beauty of the location-independent lifestyle, and it's within your reach. With an internet connection and a willingness to hustle, you can work from anywhere in the world. Picture yourself sipping a cappuccino in a Parisian cafe, brainstorming your next big project with the Eiffel Tower as your backdrop. Or maybe you're more of a beach bum answering emails with your toes in the sand. The point is, you're no longer tethered to a desk or a 9-to-5 schedule. You have the freedom to design a life that aligns with your values and passions. Want to travel the world? Go for it. Prefer to work from the comfort of your own home? No problem, the choice is yours. Embrace the flexibility, embrace the adventure, and embrace the freedom that comes with building an online income. The world is your office, and the possibilities are endless. Section 8. Income potential: no limits, but your own hustle. Let's talk about the big bucks. One of the most appealing aspects of making money online is the unlimited income potential. Forget about those measly annual raises and capped salaries. When you're your own boss, the sky's the limit. Your income is directly proportional to your effort and ingenuity. The harder you work, the smarter you strategize, and the more value you provide, the more money you'll make. It's that simple. No more waiting for someone else to recognize your worth or determine your earning potential. You're in the driver's seat, and you get to call the shots. So, how much do you want to make? The possibilities are endless. Whether you're aiming for a comfortable side hustle or a life of luxury and abundance, it's all within your reach. All it takes is the drive to succeed and the willingness to put in the work. Are you ready to unleash your earning potential? Section 9. Real stories, real money: proof that this stuff works. You might be thinking, this all sounds great, but can people really make money online? The answer is a resounding yes. Don't just take my word for it. There are countless success stories of ordinary people who ditched their 9-to-5 jobs and built empires online. Take Michelle, for example. She turned her passion for baking into a thriving online bakery, selling her delicious creations through Instagram and her website. Or how about John, who built a 6-figure income by creating and selling online courses teaching people how to code? These aren't isolated incidents. There are countless stories of freelancers, app developers, bloggers, YouTubers, and online entrepreneurs who are living proof that making money online is not a dream, it's a reality. Their success didn't happen overnight. It took hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But they all started with a single step: a decision to take control of their lives and build something of their own. Section 10. Ready to ditch the 9-to-5? It's time to level up your life. If you've made it this far, you're clearly not satisfied with the status quo. You're tired of the rat race and yearning for a life with more freedom, flexibility, and financial abundance. The good news is, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world are waking up to the possibilities of the digital age. They're ditching their soul-crushing jobs and building businesses that light them up. And you can too. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Stop making excuses and start taking action. The world of online income is waiting for you, and it's filled with opportunities to create the life you've always wanted. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step, learn a new skill, build your brand, and unleash your inner entrepreneur. The only thing holding you back is you. Are you ready to level up your life? Section 11. Your online empire awaits. Take the first step today. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You don't need to have all the answers right now. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow. Just start. Identify your passions, your skills, and your interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What problems can you solve? Once you have a clear idea, start exploring the endless possibilities of the online world. Take an online course, build a website, create a social media presence, or offer your services on a freelance platform. The key is to take action and keep moving forward. Remember, the internet is a constantly evolving landscape, so be prepared to learn, adapt, and embrace the unknown. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is just a stepping stone to success. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Your online empire awaits, and it all starts with that first step. Take it today and never look back.